Second. Yes, I just created this month Nigerian Limited. I just created this sub account. Yeah, it has nothing. Everything is the funnel is empty, the website is empty, the store, the quiz, the form, everything is empty. Even the contact is empty. Opportunity pipeline, there's nothing over there. The dashboard lets me show you there's nothing over there. This is someone who needed a sub account from us, and I've just created a sub account. You might not know what you will do with the Go High Level. As a specialist, I want to create a snapshot. When I create that snapshot, I will give it to him. I'll put it in his own sub account so that he can use it as a template to work with. Okay, let's go there. Watch me while I do it. I go back to agency group, then I go to account snapshots. When I go there, what do you see now? Come down. You see create a new snapshot. Then I put a new snapshot. I name it I command snapshots. Where will I get it? I want to duplicate it from the previous sub account we have in our agency. So I use Jessica Nick. Then next, it will now duplicate it. Remember, it's not everything I copy from Jessica Nick sub account I will give to them. Number one, what did the company of Ikenna really want as a sub account? What do they really want from me? They can need, IK need, according to him, he needs a funnel. So I'll look for a funnel. I'll look for a funnel. Now this is a funnel and the website. I will not take all. So I need to look for the one I will take. The funnel, the funnel, any funnel, any funnel. So now I choose this funnel, the new funnel. Then he wants a form. So I'll go to form as well. I look for form. Very good form. I take lead generation form. Lead generation form. I take another one, registration form. Then he need a pipeline, a pipeline, pipeline, pipeline. He needs a pipeline. So he needs a pipeline. He needs a tag. I look for tag. I look for checker obliques. Remember, he just needed a sample, so that he can work with pipeline, pipeline, pipeline. Let me look for pipeline. Here, see the pipeline. You need appointments, sales pipeline, deal pipeline, digital lead pipeline, needs it, and then we create. create. Now I have created it. See, I duplicated this one and I created it. Now, how can I upload this sub account? How can I upload it? I can upload through here, but I don't want to use through here. Let me return back to the sub account. Now, I'm in see his account. I will now open Ihow account. I'll go to this action. See load snapshot. Have you seen it? Then now I will take the snapshot, Chika Obi snapshot for Ihow Nigeria Limited. I take the snapshot and I proceed. I proceed. Now it will tell you to skip some certain things. Calendar. Am I skipping it? You need a calendar campaign. You need a campaign. Custom field. I think you need it. Custom value. I think he needs it. Form folder. All these things. I think he needs it. He needs it. Okay. Then I'll proceed. I proceed. Automatically select all. I proceed. Then I confirm it. Confirm. I proceed. Now, Ihow Nigerian Limited have now good duplicates for their company. Then let's go and check. Let me go back to Ihow Nigerian Limited. You can now see his dashboard. You can now see his dashboard. You now have a pipeline. Can you see before these things are empty? Can you see the pipeline? Can you see the pipeline you used to work with? Can you see the contact pipeline? Everything I've shown himself. Then when we get to funnel, you can see lead generation. When we go to website, you can see this Linda website. You see everything is in there. So this is how we create a sub account and snapshot for our clients. If you want to hire me, I will do more. This is just the iceberg. I have a lot of things I did not say here, but at least you see, I created the sub account and I created a snapshot. And remember, I can create a snapshot. I can upload a snapshot. Let me go to agency level. Let me show you what I'm saying. See, we can import snapshot. You can see it here. We can import snapshot. We can share snapshot. I can create a snapshot template for you. So if you need my activities, you inbox me. I will be at your service. Thank you.